So we just had 2 divers come in behind our spread and land on the big water of the Atlantic out there. And homie's gonna crawl over there and see if he can shoot them. Oh God, that's a man right there, boys. That's a straight up low crawl. Look at him. Oh my God. He's got a bit of a ravine to traverse there. Expertly navigating it. Ducks are still on the water, just in front of him. Probably at 50 yards from him right now. Oh, come on, buddy. I don't even care if another duck flies over right now. I'm so engaged in this story. There's another duck on the water way past him. It looks like it's swimming in. Could also be a seal from this distance. Sorry, I'm as zoomed in as I could get. He's too far. If he can make it about 10, 15 more yards, he's going to have a good shooting opportunity. But he's going to have to do a push-up and then jump up. Almost like a burpee. Oh, I am so ready for this to go down. I think those 2 ducks just flew out of town. Yep, there they go. Oh no, they're coming in. They're coming in. Oh. Get down. They're coming in. They're coming in. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up and shoot. Get up and shoot. He didn't get him. There they go.